Hello and welcome to our channel where we discuss the latest technological advancements in agriculture. In today's video, we will be discussing the use of robotics for automated planting and harvesting. Automated planting and harvesting using robotics is becoming increasingly popular in agriculture, as it allows farmers to optimize their crop yield, reduce labor costs, and increase efficiency. In this video, we will explore how robotics can be used for automated planting and harvesting, the benefits it provides, and the challenges it faces. Automated planting using robotics involves the use of autonomous machines to plant seeds at precise depths and spacing. These machines can be programmed to plant a specific crop and adjust their planting patterns based on the field conditions. By automating the planting process, farmers can ensure that their crops are planted at the right time, depth, and spacing, leading to better yields and reduced waste. Furthermore, robotics can also be used for precision seeding, which involves the use of specialized equipment to plant seeds in precise locations. This technology allows farmers to create complex planting patterns, such as intercropping or companion planting, which can help improve soil health and reduce the risk of pests and diseases. Automated harvesting using robotics involves the use of machines to harvest crops without the need for human intervention. These machines can be equipped with sensors and cameras to detect and analyze the crops, allowing them to adjust their harvesting patterns based on the crop yield, maturity, and quality. By automating the harvesting process, farmers can reduce labor costs, improve efficiency, and reduce the risk of crop damage. One of the key benefits of using robotics for automated planting and harvesting is the ability to optimize crop yield. By automating the planting and harvesting process, farmers can ensure that their crops are planted and harvested at the right time, leading to higher yields and reduced waste. Furthermore, robotics can also help reduce labor costs, which can be a significant expense for farmers. Moreover, the use of robotics in agriculture can also help improve sustainability by reducing the use of chemicals and fertilizers. By using precision seeding and harvesting techniques, farmers can reduce the need for chemicals and fertilizers, leading to a more environmentally friendly approach to agriculture. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed when using robotics in agriculture. One of the challenges is the cost of the equipment, which can be expensive for small-scale farmers. Furthermore, the machines require maintenance and repair, which can be a challenge in remote areas where skilled technicians are not readily available. Another challenge is the integration of the machines into the farming system. Farmers need to be trained to operate and maintain the machines, and the machines need to be integrated into the overall farming system, which can be a complex process. In conclusion, the use of robotics for automated planting and harvesting is an exciting development in agriculture. By automating the planting and harvesting process, farmers can optimize crop yield, reduce labor costs, and improve efficiency. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed, such as the cost of the equipment and the integration of the machines into the farming system. Thank you for watching our video on automated planting and harvesting with robotics. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest technological advancements in agriculture.